Are you looking for an electric patient lift with the convenience of a portable lift and the stability of a full-size patient lift? The Bestcare Folding Homecare Lift is a durable, economical option, and it might be perfect for your needs. My name is Jeff, I'm a project expert here at Mart, and I've been a registered nurse for over 25 years. This lift features a slightly compact design, being about the same width as most patient lifts, but just about 3 or 4 inches shorter in length. It has an impressive 400-pound weight capacity, and it makes it a little bit easier to move around the room because of an oversized handles. I will tell you though, if you are on carpet and you are lifting someone that's heavier, any type of patient lift, especially a steel one at that weight, it's going to be a little tougher to move around. So keep that in mind depending on who the person is that's actually doing the lifting, how heavy the person is. If you're on very thin carpet with little padding, it may not be bad. Ideally with any patient lift, the recommendation is to have vinyl, tile, or a wood type of floor to make it really easy to move somebody around. This lift uses an easy to use hand control pendant, so basically it gives me the ability to go up and down from here. But one thing is unique about the Bestcare system using the Motion TI battery system is I also have the ability to control my up and down right here from the control panel. And why is that a great thing? Well, a couple of reasons. One is if I'm off at the side working with my patient or my loved one, and I need someone to help me, and I don't have my hand to use the hand control for whatever reason, someone that's here as a second person helping me can control that from here. The other thing that is really nice to have as a backup is, let's say for some reason I drop this, it's on the floor, I don't want to reach down and pick it up while I'm helping my patient. I can reach back here and control it here. Also, for any reason, this cord happens to pinch, this breaks, gets caught in something while you're lifting somebody, I then have my backup and be able to lift that here as well. One thing that is nice about the folding home care lift is it's really almost effortless to open the legs to help me get around things like a wheelchair, bedside commode, or whatever I need to get around to add a little more stability as I'm moving the patient and or just getting around the object itself. So this is a very easy to use foot control to open up the legs. Very minimal effort, so it makes it really nice. It doesn't put you off balance too bad. But if you do have any difficulty reaching forward with your foot, you may want to think about a powered base. Also, what's really nice too is these brakes are super easy to apply. Just simply by pushing down on the red lever on the back, the brakes will go into place, and then push on the gray and it unlocks the brakes. This lift features a 2-point patient sling bar. One thing I really like about this is it has some nice rubber padding on here, and you know that may sound kind of not needed, but if you happen to be close to somebody and they bump their hand, bump their head, it really is nice because it helps minimize any chance of injury, and so it's really nice to have that extra padding on there. This sling bar will work with most standard slings out there, so your U-shaped sling, your hygiene sling, a lot of those type of slings are just the ones that most use 90% of the time every day. This sling bar will work with it. Has a little feature D-ring in here for safety to keep the loop from coming back off of here. This bar then will tuck down into a little shelf that's on the frame there. So basically by dropping this down with using the hand control, releasing one pin here, this locks into place. I can fold this down and then fold it again and actually transport or either store it in a room or take it with me in a vehicle. So once I fold it down and in a position, I can store it in the corner of the room, keep it out of the way, that way if I'm not using it all the time. But what most people buy this type of lift for is also to be able to travel with it. So once it's folded in a position, I can easily roll it from place to place or roll it outside to my car. Once I'm at my car, I almost always recommend to my customers to use a packing blanket just to be safe and not scratch your car. But once this is standing up and I lean it against the trunk or the back of like a medium SUV, then I can use the car as a fulcrum, lift up the bottom of it, and slide it into place inside my car. Also helps if you take the battery out first. That does add a little bit of weight reduction by doing it that way. But again, now I can travel with it, go someplace, pull it back out, slide it, roll it back into a hotel, another house, whatever you need it for, and then use it and set it up easily. The Bestlift Folding Homecare Lift is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a great valued portable patient lift. If you have any questions about this lift or any of the other patient lifts on our website, our product navigators are standing by and ready to help and answer your questions. Give them a call or continue to browse our website here at Mart.com.